This California gas sign reads $5.39 a gallon. How much can conflict with Iran change everyday life? The American flag moves in the wind below thick gray clouds, while a narrow strip of blue remains near the horizon. Recorded on May 27, 2026, the station advertised cash unleaded gasoline at about $5.40 per gallon. That same week, federal energy data placed the national average near $4.48, while California averaged roughly $5.91. The difference is immediately visible at the pump, especially for families who commute every day or travel long distances by car. Energy officials reported that conflict involving Iran and disrupted traffic through the Strait of Hormuz pushed crude oil and fuel prices sharply higher. The strait is one of the world's most important oil routes, so uncertainty there can quickly spread through global energy markets. Above the price sign, sunlight briefly breaks through the cloud cover, while darker layers continue gathering around the opening. The changing sky mirrors an uncertain market. Moments of relief appear, then disappear as conditions shift again. Crude oil drives much of the movement, but California taxes, fuel requirements, refining, and distribution also shape the final price. When international tensions ease, oil prices may fall, but the change at local gas stations often takes time to reach drivers. For ordinary Americans, the issue is not an abstract market chart. It is the cost of work, travel, and family life. See you on the next road. Goodbye.